For today's trading, I have selected only two stocks, Titan and Ambuja Cement. So let's start the video by telling you the reason why I have selected these two stocks. So Ambuja Cement will be our first stocks to watch. So you can clearly see dominating pressure in this stock is selling. From this corner to this corner, price is making lower lows and lower highs, and that is the sign of purely downtrend. So expected follow through action in this stock is downtrend. So I can expect a short call in Ambuja Cement today. But this was the actually first reason. The dominating pressure in this stock is selling. Second reason is that this level 378 was tested by this stock many times on 21st October. So this was the main actually reason why I have selected. Dominating pressure in this stock is selling, and one particular price was getting tested more than 4 times in a single day. So that means this particular level or this price has become very weak. So those who have entered or those who are actually buying at this level is getting actually is losing its power over the time. First time, second time, third time, fourth time. That means sellers are in more actually more dominating, or you can say sellers are more powerful than the buyers, and that is why they have dominated the price and checked uh, buyers 4 times. Because of that, this level has become weaker. So as soon as the very first candle 9:15 of today's was formed, you can clearly see a long red candle with a great volume. So I started waiting for a retest. So as soon as this stock came down and again gone for retesting, you can clearly see the very first rectangle, or it is a square. Okay, very first square, you can clearly see a very nice and classical evening star was found, and this evening star was a sign that again sellers are in control. So I have taken position over here when the low of 10:45 candle was broken. So again stock came down and again gone for retesting. So a very nice bearish engulfing pattern was formed. So this again gave a chance to enter in this stock, and you can book a very handsome risk reward ratio. So 1:3 risk reward ratio I have also booked in Ambuja Cement. So I am repeating the trading of Ambuja Cement for today. The reason for selecting this stock is dominating pressure in this stock is selling. This level 378.50 was tested many times by the Ambuja Cement price. So two signs. First, who is dominating, and second sign, this particular price or level is getting tested multiple times. So expected trade in this stock was selling, and that I have done and booked profit. So purely price action, copy paste, you can say. If you learn the price action, you will actually come to know that this is the standard way to trade this kind of price action. So this is all about Ambuja Cement. Now let's move to Titan. Titan Trading Titan was a tricky today because I have used the price action concept according to the market, not the standard conceptual price action. I am explaining you why. So first I will explain you why I have selected this stock. The reason for selecting this stock is, again, dominating pressure in this stock is selling. So lower lows and higher lows were formed. So expected trade in this stock was also short trade. So again you can see this particular level was getting tested many times, but a kind of build-up is also formed in this stock, and it was a lengthy and stronger build-up. For me it is a build-up. For any other trader it may be like consolidation period and any other thing it can be, but for me it is a strong build-up zone. So I was expecting a major or a long green sorry red candle which is actually in the downward direction, but in a day time frame if you watch this stock Titan, it is in a uptrend. So if an buy trade is getting generated in this stock, then that will be actually more profitable, or that trade will have a high probability of getting target hit. So while actually analyzing the Titan before the market, actually there was also expectation of buy trade, but price action is saying that you should trade or this stock only when a short trade is getting generated, but that does not happen. And also after a strong build up, market was also in green. So when the high of second candle 920 candle was broken, I have entered in this stock. So my buy price was 2433 and my selling price was 2483. So against 10 rupees I have booked 50 rupees in this stock. I have taken very small actually stop loss, because I am trading against the existing price action, but market has given me profit today, and I also knew that around this level there was supply available, so it is better to exit from before this level. So 2483 was my target, that was get hit actually in very few candles. So I have also booked the profit in this stock. So again I am repeating the trading of Titan today's. First, dominating pressure is selling, strong buildup was found, expected trade in this stock is short, but market has given me a buy trade in this stock today, so I have gone according to the market and booked the profit. The lesson that I have learned today is that price action you should implement according to the market, and sometimes if you have a strong confirmation or a classical price action, then you can also follow the real price action concept. Here I can wait for a short signal. It will not come by Monday or Tuesday, but whenever this build up zone was breaking down in the downward direction, then you can clearly see that maybe there will be a short position in this stock. So this is all about today's trading, friend. Keep watching, keep trading, keep analyzing the chart, and do like, share, and subscribe my video and channel. If you find my analysis is good and if it is helping you to learn the price action, so thank you again. Your comments are welcomed. So thank you guys. Keep trading. Bye.